If you are looking for how to make line animation in PPT, then keep watching. For example, I have a Q4 sales analysis heading here on the first slide, and you want to insert a line under the sales analysis. So how you can do that? Go to the insert and click on the shapes and click the under the line. You will see that different line options. You need to select the first line and hold the shift key and draw under the sales analysis. This will give you a straight line. And now you will see there are two dots over here. And now head to the shape format on the top menu bar, and here you can see that different lines styles. You can drop down here and select the line which you like. So I'm selecting this one, and now head to the shape outline, and here you will see that weight. You can increase the weight of the line by as per your need. So for right now I'm selecting this one. If you want to give some shape effects, then click on this arrow and go to the shadow and give some inner shadows, and then head to the animation, and here you will see that different animation pre-built animations. So for example, I'm selecting this floating, and here you can see that line has been floating, and this is the split, and this is the wipe, this is the shape line, this is the V line, and this is the random. So it's up to you which you like it. So right now I'm selecting this one. It's much pretty and seems very much professional. So with this way you can easily make line animation in PPT slide.